Okay, so let's talk about the interfaces which is used to access the data or connect with the hard disk or the database. So there is a one is a SATA. SATA you have already heard. It is actually used to connect your SATA hard drive or the SSD. This SATA interface is connect for this. This is the inexpensive, but it is so low and very common to use. Another is a SCSI. It is expensive, smaller capacity, extremely fast and accessible. Generally, this type of the used SCSI or iSCSI, which is used for the providing the connectivity into the data centers. Or serial attached SCSI upgrade the SCSI with the larger capacity, faster transfer speed and increase the flexibility, and very expensive. It is used in a data storage. Now the types of the partition, because you are going to make the partition, so it is necessary you will have to understand which partition you will create or what are the pros and what are the cons to related to the partitions. There is a two types of the partitions which is actually used. So what is the meaning of the partition? Like in general you think this is the hard disk. Okay, so you have created a partition, you have created two partition A, C and partition D. You have created two partition, okay, C and D. Now how your computer know there is a C and a D partition? How your computer know? Because there is a partition table. There is a partition table where the entry from this block to this block will be known as a partition C, and from this block to this block the value will be D. So when you will store the data in a D, it will be stored in between these blocks, and when you will store the data in C, so this data will be stored in this particular block. So this information written in a table. So based on the table there is a two types of the partitions happened. One is a MBR, another is a GPT. MBR already you have heard about this. If you are familiar with the hardware, then you know about the MBR. This is the master boot record. So master boot record is a specific location where the data record is stored. Means if you are creating a partition in a MBR using the MBR table, so you can create the maximum size is a 2 TB and maximum partition are support 4 partition, but 4 partition is a primary partition. Keep in mind there is a two things, primary partition and logical partition. So when you will create the logical partition, then you can create the multiple partition inside the logical, but you will create the primary partition, then it will support only 4 partition and maximum 2 TB hard disk size of the single partition. Okay, and boot data is stored in a one sector. This sector known as a boot sector. So what is the meaning of the boot sector? Boot sector is a type of the sector which is tell to the computer which files will be loaded at the time of the booting the computer. Okay, so it is known as a boot sector. So boot sector or boot data are stored in a one sector. If this sector is damaged, so your hard disk will be damaged and it will not work. Another type of the partition is a GPT table. Actually this is the most used and nowadays used in a data centers, in a cloud, in a organizations, big servers. This type of the partition table is created. This is actually the virtually. So whenever we talk about the virtually means there is not physical existence, it is existence of the virtually. That is the reason there is a unlimited size, it is support the unlimited size and unlimited number of the partitions. Boot data are stored in a multiple locations. Nowadays it is used a This is the modern solution and it is preferred by everyone to create a GPT partition in your